pissed that this was ripped. I wonder if I ripped it. I don't think I did though. How would I ripped it?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram where I post pretty much every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. Today's video, we have our Stitch Fix unboxing. I do this every other month, I believe. I have a Stitch Fix coming and I just think it's kind of fun. I really like the idea of a stylist picking items for me. I think it's kind of fun because I do get to shop a lot, and so I think it's kind of fun for someone else to choose something for me that I wouldn't necessarily choose for myself. If you guys are new to Stitch Fix is basically a styling service. You go on and you make like a little style profile, you take a style quiz, and it asks you different questions about if you would wear this, if you wouldn't wear this, is this your style, is this not your style. You tell them like your sizes and your height and all that kind of fun stuff. And then what you do is you pay $20, which is for a styling fee, and so you're basically paying for a stylist. And if you end up choosing to keep anything in your box, that $20 that you paid for the styling fee will go towards an item in the box. So if you had an item that cost, let's say $40, then that $20 that you paid would get subtracted from the $40, and so the item that you picked would be $20. So if you decide not to keep anything in your box, then you lose the $20 styling fee. If you decide to keep all the items in your box, I know you get a discount. I'm not exactly sure what the discount is, but I know you get a percentage off of all the items. So let's go ahead, without further ado, let's jump into this box and see what my stylist got for me. I'm not sure if I have the same stylist or a different stylist from last time. Lately, they have not been winning. I've gotten this box, I think 4 or 5 times now from Stitch Fix, and I use my own money, like this isn't sponsored or anything. Inside this little card, it tells you all the pieces that they picked for you, and there's like a little note from your stylist. I'll go ahead and read what my stylist had to say to me. Hi Amanda, happy Fix Day to you. Thank you so much for requesting me as your stylist again. So I guess I decided to keep the same stylist as last time, and I want you to know that I am committed to delivering you a fix that matches your style preferences. You mentioned wanting a plaid blazer in this fix, and I am thrilled to send you a boyfriend blazer, so that's cool. I wasn't able to send you any wide leg pants at this time, but I will be sure to keep an eye out. She did read the notes that I sent on my last box. I went in and sent her kind of little styling suggestions on what might be better, kind of like what I'm looking for. It looks like she did try to find something that I will like. So that's cool. It's really cool because you can actually ask them for certain things, or if you saw something and you know they carry it, then you can request certain items, or you can also request certain brands. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, and it's like a little fashion burrito. And then it looks like we also have maybe jewelry or something. So the first item we have, ooh, it looks like it's a bodysuit. This one is long sleeve. This first item is from 9 Britain. It's in a size 3X, and it's called the Amy Scallop Neckline 3/4 sleeve knit bodysuit in black, and the price of this is $38. So I'm on the lowest price tier that you can get because I know a lot of people who do Stitch Fix and stuff don't want to spend a whole bunch of money. So let's go ahead and try that on, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. This is a super cute bodysuit. It's a little bit big on me though. I think I would definitely need a size 2X in this bodysuit, because like even I have it just over my black leggings, so you guys probably can't see it, but like it's all baggy and stuff right here. It's not like tight at all. It fits, like the crotch snappy thing fits perfectly fine. One thing I did notice though is right here where it's sewn together, it's like ripped in the front. So this would be the one thing that I'd probably want to keep maybe, and it's ripped. That's not very good quality if it, like, I don't know, it's sewn all weird, but I do like the scallopy neckline. It is really comfortable. The material is super stretchy, and I mean, it's just a pretty standard bodysuit. It is pretty thick though, I would say. I feel like it's a good quality bodysuit, but I don't like that. So I don't know if someone else tried this on before me or if they just missed that part when they were sewing, but I don't know if I would even buy this if it's gonna be like, if it just like if it just comes apart that easily. And this one's $38. I don't know, maybe they just missed the stitch. Like I said, it's definitely too big on me. It's all like floppy here, like at the butt and stuff. You could wear this with jeans, I think it'd be super cute, or a skirt. Maybe I can have them exchange it or something. What do you guys think? Let me know. We'll see. We'll see. I need to message my stylist, Jody, and find out if they can exchange this for a smaller size and one that's not ripped. You know, that's not cool. The next item we have, ooh, it's a dress. This is from Fortune and Ivy. We've had quite a few things from them. This is in a navy color, and it looks like it's a wrap dress. I like wrap dresses, but I have not been really loving floral on me lately. It's just not really been my thing. It's a 3X and it's $54. So unless this dress is amazing and I just can't live without it, I probably won't end up keeping it because that's a lot for a dress. Not loving this floral print though, if I'm being honest. Not really a huge fan of the flowers that are in here. I'm not sure what those kind of flowers are, but I don't really like them. The price of this bad boy is $54. Now, this does not feel like a $54 dress to me. I do not like knit dresses, I don't think. For some reason, this dress, and like when they sent me the last wrap dress, it was made out of the same exact fabric. I don't like it. I think I need to let my stylist know that I don't like the knit fabric. It reminds me of dresses that you can get at like Ross. That's the fabric. It's super nice, like soft fabric, but I don't know, I do not like this fabric for some reason. It just feels cheap to me. Even though it's super comfortable and everything, it just feels cheap. This one is a wrap dress, but instead of it like having a tie, it actually has like that loop knot detail kind of right here at the front, and so it just like cinches in right here, and then the wrap kind of comes like towards the front of the dress. Not a fan of this pattern. I don't like this neckline on me. I really need to let her know I don't like this neckline. It's just not my favorite. I don't think it's super flattering when you have a really huge chest. I'm not a huge fan of wrap dresses. Not all plus size girls want to wear a wrap dress, even if it's technically flattering. It's just not my style. I feel like this dress is kind of older. I don't know, I don't feel like it's very youthful or anything. It comes down well past my knee, almost to my calf. It's a nice fit and everything. I like that it has the 3/4 length sleeve. Or I don't know why people think that just because you're plus size you want to wear like huge florals on you. I don't know, not for me. Not worth $54. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm crazy. It's just not my thing. I need to let her know to stop sending me wrap dresses that have floral on them because I don't like it. Moving on. The next item that we have is by Pink Clover. This looks like it's just a sweater. It's super like lightweight and it's so soft, like okay. It's in a size 3X and it's the Nicole textured pullover sweater in a nice gray color. It's not super long though. I don't think it's cropped. Oh, maybe it is longer. I don't know. Maybe it'll go over my butt. I'm not a huge sweater person because of where I live. It's like in the 60s and 70s like every day right now. The MSRP is $44. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we will like this and I'll want to keep it. First of all, let's talk about how soft this sweater is. I don't know what this baby is made out of, but it feels amazing. Definitely not an itchy sweater. That's another thing that I don't like about sweaters, is I don't like it when they're itchy. It's a pretty good length. You can definitely, I think, wear it with leggings. I wish it was a little bit longer in the back. I don't like when my butt shows. It has like a little shark bite hem right here. I don't think it's super flattering though. I don't like the neckline. I feel like maybe if it was like a v-neck or like maybe a squared neck or something, it would look a little bit cuter, but I feel like it just kind of like draws all your attention right here to my chest. And then I feel like it's a little bit clingy to my tummy. For $44, I definitely don't think I'm going to keep this one. But if you've never tried the Pink Clover brand, girl, this is soft. Just I'm not a sweater person, so it's gonna be a pass. Yeah. Alright, the last clothing item that I see is a blazer, and this blazer is so cute. This one is like in a sweater, like stretchy fabric, which I love. I don't know if you guys have ever tried like blazers from like Fashion Nova, but they always end up being too tight like on my arms because I have pretty chubby arms, I would say, and so I feel like blazers never work out for me unless they're made out of like this stretchy like sweater fabric. And I have a blazer from Liverpool that I love that's made out of fabric like this. This is the Liverpool Jason printed boyfriend blazer in black. It's in a size 3X. The cost though is 98 bucks. Ooh, that's expensive, even for a blazer. So it'll make it $80 if I put my styling fee towards it. I don't know, we'll see. Fingers crossed that I won't like it because I don't really want to spend $80. It's super, super comfortable. It's very, very stretchy. It does have pockets, I noticed. They are sewn shut, so you have to like snip it if you want to put your hands in them. I told her I wanted a blazer. I do like this blazer, but I don't think it's the right blazer for me. I don't feel like the cut is super flattering on me. I think it's kind of like too boxy. I need something that's like maybe a little bit more tailored, and maybe one that's a little bit longer. I prefer like a longer blazer. Everything that I've gotten to try from Liverpool has always been like super good quality. Their jeans are really, really comfortable. One of the most comfortable pairs of jeans I've ever tried on. And I would say this blazer is definitely super comfortable. I think that this could be like a really nice piece though, like to wear to work or like to the office. You can definitely dress it down with like a pair of jeans and just like a plain black or white t-shirt. I think that would be pretty cute. Almost. If it would be like a little bit different, then I probably would have kept it. I just don't think that this is the exact style that I'm looking for. So maybe she can try a different blazer next time because I do really want one. But this one's just not it. For 98 bucks, I don't, like, it's not exactly what I want. You know? Does that make sense? Okay, and then the last item, which I dropped, looks like it's jewelry. It's interesting, they even wrapped the jewelry like a little burrito. Oh, that's pretty. It's by Stella and Ruby. Not sure if it's really my style. It's like a super statement necklace. It's really pretty, but it's a little intense. I don't know. I like more simple necklaces. I'm not really into like gaudy jewelry, so I don't think I'll keep this one. But this one is the Stella and Ruby Shy Stone collar necklace in black, and it's $38. This necklace is really, really heavy though. It looks like it's nice quality. It doesn't look like it's gonna like break very easily. I don't know. I just don't know. Let's go ahead and try this necklace on now. The price of this is $38. This necklace makes me feel like I'm the Queen of England. Like, it's super heavy, like very heavy weighted. I feel like this is what I can only imagine. Like, if this necklace that's $38 is like super weighted, imagine how the Queen feels like with those crazy jewels. I feel like it's a little too fancy, like a little too statement piecey. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? I do kind of like it though. It's kind of blingy. It makes me feel really fancy and like a classy, like rich lady, you know? These kind of look like little pineapples to me. Now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I'm wearing a pineapple necklace. I always try to keep one thing unless I hate everything, but I do kind of like the necklace and I kind of like this bodysuit. So out of these two items, what do you guys think I should keep? Let me know. Okay guys, so that was everything that I got in this month's Stitch Fix. This I guess is my number 5 Stitch Fix, and still not my favorite. I don't know, I really liked that blazer, but I just feel like for $80 I want it to be a blazer that I love, and I think if I saw that in the store, I don't think I would necessarily buy it. So I don't want to buy something just because I already spent $20. The price of everything that was in this box would have been $272. But if I decide to buy everything, like I said, you guys can get a discount when you buy everything that's in your box, which is 25% off, which would be $68 off, which would take it down to $204. And then you would have a $20 credit, and that would take it down. And then I also had, I guess, a $5 credit for some reason, $179. Overall, not my favorite box. I haven't been super impressed, but I think it's fun. And it's only $20 I think I do it every other month or every 3 months, so if I only keep one thing or if I decide not to keep anything, it's only $20. And I think it's kind of fun to have someone else shop for me. What did you guys think? What was your favorite thing? Whether it's this necklace or this bodysuit. I'm leaning more towards the bodysuit, but only if they can send it to me in a size smaller and if they can send it to me not ripped, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram. I post there almost every day about plus size fashion and makeup. As always, remember, be kind of beautiful, and toodles for now. I don't know where I would wear it. Hello. I am now the queen of YouTube. Hello. Nice to meet you. Practice your queen wave. Yep. That's it. I'm out of here. I gotta go. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, hello. Thank you so much for being here today. Hello. Do you guys know what that's from? Let me know if you guys know. Thank you for being here today. What is that from? It's not a very good impression, but it's a Disney movie, if you're wondering. Did you guys notice that I had a different hairstyle going on? If you guys want to know about this and you want me to do a video about this, let me know. You guys don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but if you want a video on this hair, let me know and I will tell you guys about my hair. Okay guys, so that was everything that I got in this month's style stitch. This was a little I can never talk. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh god, I dropped whatever that was. Come on, Jody girl. Come on. Figure out my style. I need to start leaving more notes. I just need to be able to go to Stitch Fix and just pick all the items that I want. You know? There has to be... I wonder if there's other styling boxes like that where you can pick what you want and then they just send it to you and you can try it, and if you don't like it, you can send that shit back. I'm gonna look into that.
Hold me close till I get up.